В США из-за снегопадов отменили почти 3000 авиарейсов. Более 500 из них были запланированы в Нью-Йорк. При этом аэропорт Джона Кеннеди продолжает принимать и отправлять самолеты. По прогнозу, снежная буря на северо-востоке США сохранится еще 2 дня. В некоторых районах Нью-Йорка, Нью-Джерси и Коннектикута может выпасть до 50 сантиметров осадков.
Storm is dumping heavy snow on the northeastern U.S. and knocking out power to hundreds of thousands of homes and businesses. A winter storm warning runs through Thursday for most of New England. Authorities in Birmingham, Alabama say a fatal shooting in a high school appears to be accidental. A 17-year-old girl was killed and a 17-year-old boy was injured. No arrests were immediately.
For the second time in less than a week, the northeastern United States is being battered by storms, closing schools, grounding planes, and knocking out electricity to tens of thousands of customers. As it made its way up the coast, the nor'easter brought thunder snow, snowfall mixed with booming thunder and flashes of lightning. Thousands of flights, trains and buses have been cancelled, and authorities have warned residents to stay off the roads.